Your Kei truck will break in 3 months, and you won't find parts at AutoZone. Here are the 3 sites that ship Kei parts to the U.S. in 2026. Part 1. Timing belt, most common failure at 50 Kei miles. AutoZone, $89, too expensive, wrong size. JapanDirectParts, $18, genuine Daihatsu, 30-day shipping. Amazon, $45, fake, breaks in 2 months. Part 2. Radiator, Kei overheats in summer. Local shop, $180. Doesn't fit 660 cubic centimeters engine. JapanDirectParts, $65. Aluminum, perfect fit. eBay, $95. Used, leaking. Part 3. Turbo kit, Hijet turbo upgrade. U.S. shop, $450. Custom risky. JapanDirectParts, $280. Genuine 1-year warranty. eBay, $320. No warranty, shipping damage. The truth. 80% of Kei owners buy wrong parts at AutoZone because they don't know the 660 cubic centimeters engine is different from U.S. trucks. Pro tip. Buy timing belt plus radiator before shipping your Kei. $83 now saves $2,000 engine replacement later. Save this video. You'll need the 3 sites when your Kei breaks. Comment parts list, and I'll send you my free PDF with 50 essential parts.